Good morning everybody. Right, here's a little conversation point. So we have a customer where we fitted them 2 EV chargers. So there was I'll start again. We have a customer, we fitted them an EV charger when they already had an EV charger. So they'd already had a Zappi installed by another company a while beforehand. This is actually going back a few years. And then we fitted under a scheme that I won't get into a second EV charger. However, we did it so that only one EV charger could be used at any one time. So we did like a 3-position switch. So position 1 was the Zappi, position 2 is both the chargers are turned off, and position 3 was this charger that was on the external wall. The Zappi was in the garage, and that's been working fine. But the customer wanted to explore the ability to use both chargers at the same time. Now the charger that we fitted under this scheme was quite a dumb charger, to be honest. It works, it delivers 7 kilowatts, that's fine, but it's not an intelligent charger like the Zappi. So going through the proper process, we contacted, in this case, Northern Power Grid to go, we would like to basically add this charger to the system full time so that it can be used in conjunction with the Zappi, so that the customer can effectively charge 2 EVs, but we can use the load curtailment on the Zappi to make sure the house's supply doesn't exceed the fuse rating. So we applied for that, but Northern Power Grid, this customer has got 100 amps on the supply. Northern Power Grid said that they have to come and assess the fuse size, and if it is 100 amps, they have to downgrade it to 80 amps. So the customer has decided to pull the application and remain on a 100 amp main fuse. Now, an 80 amp fuse can work at 100 amps for, I think they've said, about 4 hours. So, you know, there is a possibility there, but I can see, and we can see as a company now, this being a little bit of a problem for people that have been lucky enough to get 100 amps. Because I know a few customers of ours that where we've been putting them in, you know, a couple of EV chargers, batteries, solar, and they've actually had 100 amps put into their supply. So it'd be interesting if they start getting asked if they can take that back out. If you've paid for that, can they actually do that? You know, because with some of our customers have paid for a 100 amp upgrade, and so can that get changed? I don't know. I know Northern Power Grid are quite up on this. I'm not sure if any of the other DNOs are. So if you work in an area that's outside of Northern Power Grid, like we do, but we hear a lot more about what Northern Power Grid are doing, then let me know. Are you seeing these DNOs drop the main fuse size as well? Drop it in the comments. I'd be interested to hear it.